How to fix sending SMS failed. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix sending SMS failed on your phone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now maybe you're just trying to send an SMS to one of your friends, but it simply says that sending SMS failed. The very first reason why this happens is if you have lack of balance on your device. So just make sure that you have enough balance left. So depending upon this service that you actually use, you might want to go ahead and check you have enough balance or money left in your SIM card. The other reason why this happens is because if you have in a place there where cellular tower is not properly supported. So just make sure that you have enough cellular strength over here. You'll be able to see the network strength on the top right hand side, and this is different from your Wi-Fi strength. This is also just like a cellular strength. The next thing you want to make sure to do is to first of all turn on flight mode, and once you turn on flight mode, wait a couple of seconds. After maybe 10 to 20 seconds, you can just turn this thing off, turn on Wi-Fi back again, and try to message to that person. Sometimes the issue could be that the recipient has also blocked you in this case. So if you have any other recipients, try to send a message to that person to see and figure out what the real problem really is. Last but not the least, what you want to do is the problem could be with the messaging app that you're using. So if you're using the default messaging app that your phone manufacturer provides, then in that case you can just try to use any of the other messaging application. One thing you might know is that even Messenger app can be used as a default messaging app if you set them, or you can use Messages by Google, which is one of my personal favorites, which is the best alternative to any of the Android messaging app out there. And these were some of the ways on how you can actually fix messaging not sending or SMS sending failed. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.